Welcome to World's Strongest Engines, where minis get ran over. Minnie on the end of the track, and he would get pushed and get ran over. Charlie versus James. Charlie! More like a joke. Oh. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh no, it's somebody's foot. Wow! Oof. Ouch. Ow. Hector versus Dreamland Thomas. Victor pushing Thomas up. Oh, uh-oh. No, oh no, that's someone's big feet. Oh, ow. Ah. Toby versus James. James. Oof. Oh no. Uh-oh. 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 Ow. Victor versus Spencer. Oh. What? What is that? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Spencer versus Toby. No. Oof. Oh no. Ho ho ho. Oh. Ouch. Oof. Oof. Oh ho ho.